Hello sweet kids. Welcome to KidsSkillTv on YouTube channel. Today we learn social skills for kids English and Arabic helping children communicate better.
Sharing, listening, following direction, polite words, using manners, asking for help, asking for permission, taking turns, work with others, waiting and being patient, respecting personal space, having a positive attitude, best effort, clean up, good hygiene, apologize. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe KidsSkillTv and like or share. Thank you.